Here at Toronto DAO's Walrus Protocol dive into what was it? Toronto Protocol. No. Walrus Protocol dive into decentralized storage event. Whoa. What was it? What is it? Let's go. So just as Walrus distributes data seamlessly across networks, beatboxing layers sounds to create complex rhythm. All right. So before anything else, I want to see the energy in the room. How's the energy? Still I see a lot of room to increase the energy. Nah. So when I say Walrus, you say protocol. Okay? Walrus. Protocol. Walrus. Protocol. Walrus. Protocol. Louder. Walrus. Protocol. Walrus. Protocol. Nice. Now I see. That's amazing. Let's go. So where do we start? Let me think. Okay, so let me drop a beat for you. But before that, as a beatboxer, so how many of you, first of all, how many of you are familiar with beatboxing? I see a couple hands. Okay, so for the people who don't know what beatboxing is, let me tell you something. It's a really painful process. We install drum kits, we install instruments in our throat. Really. So even I installed a drum kit here. Yeah. So there are basic three elements, like kick drum, which sounds something like. Then there's hi-hat, which sounds something like. Then there's snare, which sounds something like. When you combine all these three beautiful sounds together, you make music something like. Are you ready? Yeah. Let me drink some water. Water is our best friend. Yeah. Let's go. One more routine. With the beat. So as a beatboxer, I've been doing this art form for almost a decade now, and I love to teach beatboxing. And I know, what? Indian music? Okay, so you wanna listen to some Indian music first? Okay. Let's go. So, let me show you South Indian music. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Let's go. Remix them. Okay. So let's get back. So as a beatboxer, I've been doing this art form for almost a decade now, and I love to teach beatboxing. But I know that today we are not here to learn beatboxing, but still, I'll teach you beatboxing, and I'll make you a beatboxer today, this evening, before you go. So as I mentioned, there are three elements, basic three elements: kick drum, hi-hat, and snare. So to do kick drum, you just say the alphabet B, like B, 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 but with some pressure in the front of your lips, like P, 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 P. Give it a try, everyone. It's amazing. Yeah. B, B. Yeah, yeah. Just a little bit of pressure in the front of your lips, and that's it, like P, P, P. That's it. Yes, perfect. And for hi-hat, you just say the alphabet T, where you'll be creating some pressure in the back of your upper teeth, like T, 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 T. And don't vocalize it. Simple. T, 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 T. You got this. Perfect. So Samir is a fast learner, actually. Nice. So, and for the like last but not the least, this is my favorite sound. It is snare. You just need to say K, where you'll be creating some pressure on the roof of your mouth with the from the back of your tongue, like K, 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 K. Give it a try. K, 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 K. Perfect. Now don't vocalize it. Simple. K, 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 K. Perfect. Perfect. Now you just need to say four alphabets together, like B, T, K, T, P, 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 T, K, T. Now don't vocalize it. Simple. Give it a try. Give it a try. Nice, 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 nice. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So there's a famous phrase in beatboxing. I think you guys might be aware of it. You might have seen it on TikTok or maybe on Insta. People use boots and cats. Do you guys know? So just say boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and boots. You don't need to do the rest of the part, just boots and cats. So I have a homework for you. When you go home, you guys are already know how to do beatboxing, right? You know, I've seen it, right? So when you go home, just do this. Just do this, simple, easy, easy. Okay. One more routine for you guys. Right. Let me drink some water. One more routine. Boom, boom, the sun will set. Boom, boom, the flowers will die. Boom, boom, but we are a walrus family. Boom, boom, and I won't forget. Boom, boom. Thank you so much, guys. That was my time. And if you guys want to connect with me, you can go on Instagram, just search Let's Go Gaurav.
Let's go, Gaurav, my man.